Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent your Facebook account from getting hacked. It's just a 5-minute setting which can prevent your Facebook from hacking. So let's start. First of all, you have to open your Facebook and click on the 3 dots. Here are lots of options as you can see, and we have to find for privacy settings. Here it is in the last. This setting is so important for your Facebook account, especially when you are using Facebook and you know about your security settings. Here let's click on setting and see what things are there. You can see there is 3 types of settings, and it is account setting, security setting and privacy setting. Basically the important setting is the security setting. Let's tap on security setting. You can see there is a lot of security options. Here we will go on where you are logged in, which shows you that from where you are logged in and currently from which device you are logged in. So the first step is that you have to get logged out of all devices. It's the most important part. Tap on log out of all sessions. Secure account. Tap on logout. Now you can see it just shows one device and it isn't showing the other logged in devices. So let's go towards the second step, which is change password. Change password becomes important when you haven't changed it a long time ago, because you have logged in a lot of time and it can happen that someone might know your password and you can't even detect it. So to get protected from this, let's tap on change password. I have recently changed my password, so I won't do this right now. Now let's go towards the next setting, which is two-factor authentication. It becomes important when your account is being used in any public device, or when someone tries to use account in any public device or public desktop, then Facebook automatically will know that it is a recognized device. Tap on text message and now continue. Select your mobile number. You will get a code from Facebook. Here I got the code and let's type it. Done. As you can see, two-factor authentication is on now and you are protected. Now let's go towards the next setting, which is app password. We can ignore this. There is nothing much in this one which can protect your account from getting hacked. And the next setting is extra security. Suppose in any unrecognized device someone do log in your Facebook account, so you will get a notification about that, and then you can log in that notification by anywhere. Get notification, tap on get notification and save it. Tap on messenger and get notification. This is all you have to do. The next setting is trusted contact. In this step you will have to choose 3 contacts which you can trust on. It can be your close friends or family members. Now select those 3 so that if your Facebook gets locked or hacked by someone, they will get a notification. Now choose trusted content. Here I will choose Now let's go towards the next setting, which is safe browsing, in which if there is a problem in any recognized Wi-Fi or any unrecognized browser, then the Facebook will immediately know about that if someone is trying to take your data or something else. So if you get this login, you will get a notification about those from Facebook. Here let's click on browser. Mine is selected, so you should also select it. So here we are back on security page, and we have completed the security and login. Now let's go towards the privacy setting. If you have shared anything with everyone, then it's totally wrong. You should share those. You shouldn't share those to everyone. You have to change it with only me, friends, or friends of friends, so that your data won't go anywhere and be only in your friends. Like here is a birthday date. It should be short only to your friends because it can get hacked easily. Let's make our contact info shown to only me, because it's important to do. Here I will jump. And the basic features like birthday date, gender, it's your choice. That you will make your gender shown to everyone or to only me, but it's important to make your birthday date shown to you or your friends. I have selected only me, and I suggest you all to do that as well. Now save it and save changes. Now let's go towards who can look you up using the email address you provide. It's also important. Your email can be hacked easily as well. Select only me. And the next step is who can look you up using your phone number. Select only me. And the next one is who can see your friend list. Select friends. Now, who can see the people pages and lists you follow? Just friends. It's all done. Do like our video, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.